Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Adobe free trial easily. So first you have to go to the adobe.com and you can find this type of interface. Then at the top right side you can find your profile icon. Simply click on your profile icon and here you can find manage account. Simply click on it. Now you have to wait until it loads. Now after this page loads here, you can find plans and payment on this header section. Simply click on that and a drop down section will appear with plans. Simply click on plans here. So here you can see we have no paid plan. If you have a free plan, then you can find the order and invoices here are the plans from here. You can find the free plan from here where you can find to cancel that free plan. You can simply click on that cancel button here and you have to go through some steps that they will ask for some effects that you will face if you cancel the free subscription. You will lose some data if you, and they will ask you for some feedback. So after you complete all the steps that prompted on your screen, you can find here cancel your subscription in a red button at the pop-up section. You have to simply click on that button and your free plan will be cancelled on Adobe. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Till next time.